Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Frequency.
What does the dictionary say?
The number of times a value recurs in a unit change of the independent variable of a given function.
Math rap.
To explain how often something happens in time, we use the term frequency to best define, like how many times in a minute your heart beats, or how often in a day you reach for sweet treats.
Math rap.
What's the most painful part of learning all about frequency? The hurts. Explain frequency in your own words. How are sailors like this math term? They frequent seas. With what frequency do you eat ice cream each week? With what frequency do you study for tests? How frequently do you get physical exercise each week? Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!